but it's Chad says, if I acquire property using a land trust, do I need to be listed as the trustee in order to sell or refinance later? Well, no, you don't, Chad. And in fact, it's probably the best thing.
You're not.
It's probably best if you aren't the trustee, because the primary reason that we use a trust, there are many reasons to use one, but the primary reason we use them is for privacy. And sub 2 is actually perfect. It's actually a perfect mechanism with subject 2 because there's no trail to you whatsoever. Now, if you go out and you buy an investment property, let's say, and you get financed from Bank of America, they're going to insist you take title personally when you purchase it. So there's Chad's name right there on the mortgage. There's Chad's name on the deed. And even if once everything's recorded, immediately you transfer that into a trust, anyone with any knowledge of title and how these things work can just take a quick peek at the courthouse or whatever and put 2 and 2 together and understand that Chad owns that property. But when you buy from Joe Seller got the mortgage in his name. The property was taken. He took ownership in his name. It's deeded to 123 Oak Street Land Trust that, of course, Chad has. That's Chad's trust. There's no connection to you whatsoever. So that's a really good thing, Chad. Now, if you're a trustee, chances are your name's going to be on the deed. I can pretty much guarantee that. Most states require the trustee be listed there. So there goes your privacy again. All they've got to do is track Chad down, and chances are they get to the bottom of things. Your best trustee is going to be an individual with a last name different from you that lives in another state. And that makes it difficult for people to connect you. That makes it difficult to find this person. The more generic the name, the better. So, I mean, if their name is Smith or Jones, man, you're golden. So that is the absolute best scenario. You can use an entity as a trustee. I thought I was being super smart when I got started, and I formed a corporation to act as trustee for all the properties. Now, it's way too easy to find out who is the head of a corporation or an LLC now. So that's probably not your best practice. But no, you don't want to be the trustee. If you have to, can you? Well, yes, you can, but you're going to remove a lot of the privacy aspects when you do that. So,
hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.